some little town I'd never been to before. Working my way through the middle of June, midnight thunderstorm. There was something in the headlights stopped me on a dime, where she said she was scared to death. So I said, climb in. And then she climbed. Oh yeah. She was bruised and broke from head to toe, with a tear in her bloodstained shirt. She didn't tell the whole truth, but she didn't have to. I knew what had happened to her. I didn't load her down with questions. That girl had been through enough. I just threw it in, drive within those eyes, and I asked her where he was. I don't know if he's an angel, 'cause angels don't do what he did. He was hell-bent to find the man behind all the whiskey scars I hid. Never thought that day of justice would come from a judge under a sea. But I knew right then I'd never get hit again when he said to me, wait in the truck, just wait in the truck. Well, I knocked and no one came, so I kicked in his double wide door. I let the hammer drop before he got to that 12 he was reaching for. I didn't try to hide my pistol, I didn't even try to run. I just sat on the porch smoking one of his cigarettes, waited for the cops to come. Knowing he's an angel, his angels don't do what he did. He was hell-bent to find the man behind all the whiskey scars I hid. I never thought that day of justice would come from a judge under the sea. But I knew right then I'd never get it again when he said to me, wait in the truck, just wait in the truck. Whoa, have mercy on me, Lord. Have mercy on me. Have mercy on me, Lord. It's been 60 months and she still comes to see me from time to time. It was worth the price to see a brighter side of the girl I picked up that night. And I might be here forever, and it ain't paradise, that's true, but it's a whole hell of a lot better than the place I sent him to. Yeah. Have mercy on me. Wait in the truck. Have mercy on me, Lord. Wait in the truck. Have mercy on me, Lord. Have mercy on me, Lord. Have mercy. Wait in the truck. Just wait in the truck. Wait in the truck. Just wait in the truck. Have mercy. Wait in the truck. Just wait in the truck. Yeah.